Do you want to sell your crypto inside Revolut? Well, let me show you how to do that. First of all, open up the Revolut app and simply navigate to the crypto tab on the bottom right here. If you don't have this visible, make sure to actually hold onto the bar on the bottom, click on customize and then make sure to actually enable the crypto tab. Right here, you can then see all of the different positions which you have open. In this case, let's say that we do want to sell some Solana. So I'm just going to select that right here and I'm then going to click on sell. We are then basically going to have the option to put in how much we do want to sell. So I'm just going to go with 0.0001 Sol, which would be 1 cent in this case. Now by clicking on here, we can then actually also view all of the different order types. So we would have market order right here. This is going to exchange all of the assets immediately. We can also limit the order. So this is only going to sell at a limit price or higher. And we can actually also stop the order. So this is going to sell when a stop price is reached, or we can take profit, stop loss orders. So this is just going to either take profit or basically is going to stop at a certain kind of loss. This is a other order type which you can do. Now once you've selected this, you will then have to also enable and you will have to also select onto where you do actually want to withdraw that money onto. So in this case, I'm going to select €2 right here, but we are also going to have the option to withdraw this to US dollar, to another cryptocurrency like Litecoin, Polygon and so on, or to a whole lot of other currency like AED, like any other currency basically. Now once you've selected your currency, you can then continue and you're going to see an overview with the amount which you're going to sell, the actual price, the exchange price, the fees and so on, and you can then actually confirm your order to sell your crypto. I hope this video helped you. If it has, make sure to like and subscribe and I will see you in the next one.